today we're going to be doing a lip flip, and we put some numbing cream on her lip first. She's had some filler put in her lip, and when she smiles, her lip really flattens out. And the lip flip will do this a little bit, just raise up this little margin. And before we start, we clean it off with some alcohol, and we take all the numbing cream off and the moisturizer she put on this morning. And then we're going to give her about 4 units of Botox, and we give 4 tiny little pokes. The first one occurs about, this is the philtral column, this little ridge, and we go about 1 millimeter or 2 lateral to that, and 1 millimeter or 2 above the vermillion border, and just give like just a unit of Botox here. The next one goes a couple of millimeters further down, and again above the vermillion border. We do the same thing on the other side. And with Botox, you have to wait about 10 days to see the result. It's very different than putting filler in, where you see the result right away. And in about 10 days, actually in her case, we'll make it 4 days because Valentine's Day is coming up. She's gonna have beautiful lips. That's how we do lip flips at Orange County Plastic Surgery in Newport Beach, California.